Welcome to Restoration Made Simple's Communicate, Document, and Innovate Technician Training. I want you to kind of pay attention to the name of the course, Communicate, Document, and Innovate, because that's what we're really here to focus on. There are other courses out there and certification courses like your WRT or your ASD that is really focused on the skill of using your equipment to dry out an environment. But what we find is that a lot of times people get that great information and then they go to a job and they're not sure what to do. Things like, how do I get the client to sign a work authorization form? What photo documentation do I take? How do I justify through my job notes all of the work that I did so that insurance adjuster is going to pay us for the work that we did? And so we kind of found that there was that need for some training on what do I do from the time I step onto a job site to when we pull the equipment on the final day. And that's what this course will do. It's going to go through that job focusing on the skills of communicating with your fellow team members, your home office, the homeowner or the property owner. And then we're going to focus on documenting your work, which is the way that we communicate what we have done to an insurance adjuster so that they're going to pay us for the work that we have done. We're also going to talk about innovating, and that is using the skills that you learn in these other classes and in your drying science classes and in your studies to really put together a specific drying plan that's going to meet the needs of that job, because every job is very different. So we really want to focus on allowing you to be successful in the restorative drying process by communicating, documenting, and innovating effectively. So I really hope by the end of this, you understand the importance not only of understanding how to set up a DHU and some air movers in a restorative drying plan, but also the importance of communicating and documenting on that job.